Which programming language is not supported by Selenium WebDriver? A. Python. B. Java. C. Ruby. D. Swift. And correct answer is option D. Swift. Selenium WebDriver supports several programming languages, including Java, a popular choice for web automation and testing. JavaScript, a popular choice for Selenium. Python allows you to automate web browsers. Ruby, an official programming language for Selenium WebDriver. C#, an official programming language for Selenium WebDriver. Kotlin, an official programming language for Selenium WebDriver. In which mode does Selenium operate to run tests? A. Headless mode. B. GUI mode only. C. Both GUI and headless mode. D. Only background processes. And correct answer is option C. Both GUI and headless mode. Selenium can operate in multiple modes to run tests, including headless mode, debug mode, and remote WebDriver mode. Headless mode runs tests on a browser without visible window. This mode is useful for running tests on a server or in an automated pipeline. Debug mode allows users to debug code by setting breakpoints. After clicking the debug option, users can see tick marks on the breakpoints when the code reaches them. Remote WebDriver mode allows users to direct Selenium tests to a remote computer. To do this, users can pass the URL and port of the grid on the remote machine to the remote WebDriver class. Which component of Selenium is primarily used for record and playback features? A. Selenium WebDriver. B. Selenium Grid. C. Selenium RC. D. Selenium IDE. And correct answer is option D. Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE is the component of Selenium that's primarily used for record and playback features. Selenium IDE is an open-source extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge browsers that allows users to record and playback browser interactions in test cases. Test different interactions of a web application with the browser. Use a rich set of commands powered by Selenium. Which component of Selenium allows running tests on remote machines? A. Selenium IDE. B. Selenium Grid. C. Selenium WebDriver. D. Selenium RC. And correct answer is option B. Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid is a server that allows tests to use web browser instances running on remote machines. With Selenium Grid, one server acts as the hub. Tests contact the hub to obtain access to browser instances. What is the role of JSON wire protocol in Selenium WebDriver? A. It stores test data. B. It enhances test reporting. C. It acts as a communication layer between WebDriver and the browser. D. It enables parallel testing. And correct answer is option C. It acts as a communication layer between WebDriver and the browser. The JSON wire protocol, JSON-WP, is a transport mechanism that allows Selenium WebDriver to communicate with browsers and client libraries. Data transfer, JSON-WP uses serialization and deserialization to convert object data to JSON format and back again. This allows the server to communicate with the client libraries even if it doesn't understand programming languages. Automated testing, JSON-WP is used to automate website testing using browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and IE. Mediator, JSON-WP acts as a mediator between the client libraries and the WebDriver. RESTful API, JSON-WP is a set of standardized endpoints exposed via a RESTful API. Which of the following is popular testing framework used with Selenium? A. TestNG. B. JUnit. C. Cucumber. D. All of the above. And correct answer is option D. All of the above. Some popular frameworks and tools that are commonly used with Selenium include TestNG, JUnit, PyTest, Cucumber, Robot Framework, Jest. Which of the following is used to interact with the web page elements in Selenium? A. WebDriver. B. TestNG. C. Cucumber. D. None of the above. And correct answer is option WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is a tool that automates web application testing across different browsers. It allows testers to simulate user interactions with web elements. What is the purpose of the click method in Selenium? A. To right-click an element. B. To double-click an element. C. To perform a click action on an element. D. To hover over an element. And correct answer is option C. To perform a click action on an element. Selenium's click command emulates a mouse click operation for any interactive UI element, links, buttons, checkboxes, radio buttons. Simulating mouse clicks using Selenium can not only save crucial manual testing effort, but also help to identify bugs in your application. What is the purpose of the Actions class in Selenium? A. To take screenshots. B. To handle alerts and pop-ups. C. To switch between frames. D. To perform complex user interactions like hover and drag and drop. And correct answer is option D. To perform complex user interactions like hover and drag and drop. The Actions class in Selenium is a utility class that simulates complex user interactions, such as mouse movements, key presses, context menu interactions, double clicks, right clicks, and mouse hovers. The Actions class is used to automate keyboard and mouse events and perform actions on any element on the screen. Some of the methods in the Actions class include double-click, performs double-click on an element. Click and hold, performs a long click on the mouse without releasing it. Drag and drop, drags an element from one point and drops it to another. What is the purpose of the getTitle method in Selenium? A. To get the source code of the current page. B. To get the URL of the current page. C. To get the title of the current page. D. To get the name of the current browser. And correct answer is option C. To get the title of the current page. getTitle method in Selenium gives the title of the current webpage loaded by the driver in Selenium. If webpage has no title, a null string will be returned.